Festivals are social events. We get fun and enjoyment from festivals. Some festivals are celebrated all over the country, but some in particular states. But some festivals have religious importance. Those festivals are known as religious festivals. People of different religions live together in a country. They celebrate different religious festivals. So today our topic of discussion is religious festivals. Let's read about some of them. First, Holi. Holi is the festival of colors. It is celebrated in the month of March. People splash colored water and smear gulal on each other. A special dish called gujia is prepared on this day. And friends, the color of Holi is celebrated all over the country. Next, Dashera. Dashera is celebrated for 10 days. It marks the victory of Lord Rama over Ravana. Ram Leela is staged for 10 days. On the 10th day, huge effigies are burned. But the date of Dashera coincides with Durga Puja in West Bengal and some other state. It features temple decoration, a procession carrying a colorful statues of goddess Durga to a river and immerse it as a ritual. Diwali. Diwali is called the festival of lights and it is celebrated 20 days after Dashera. Idol of goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesha are worshipped. Children play with crackers. People meet and greet each other. Next, Guru Purav. Guru Purav is celebrated to mark the birthday of 10 Sikh Gurus. Huge processions are taken out and free meal is served to the people from an open kitchen called Langar. Eid ul Fitr. Eid ul Fitr is the most popular religious festival of the Muslim. It marks the end of the holy fasting month of Ramadan. People wear new clothes, offer namaz at mosque. They wish Eid Mubarak to each other. Christmas is a major festival of Christians. It is celebrated on 25th December to mark the birthday of Jesus Christ. People decorate their homes with candles and Christmas trees. They sing carol, offer special prayers in the church. They also exchange gifts. There are some other religious festivals like Lakshmi Puja, Raksha Bandhan are celebrated by Hindus, Eid ul-Juha, Muharram, Miladun Nabi by Muslims, Good Friday, Easter by Christians, Buddha Purnima by Buddhists, Paryushana Parva Jains and Khordat Sal by Parsis. But we should remember, India is a country of many religions and Indian constitution has given equal rights to all the people. So we should respect the tradition and the festival of every religion as we are to be united as Indians. Though many diversities are there, but we all are Indians. In the next video, we will learn about Harvest Festival of India. Till then, goodbye.